Alright, I really hope you found this set of freeform videos useful. Remember, if you did enjoy them, please do subscribe down below. Okay, our last tip today is how to export that board as a PDF that you can then share with anyone in the world, even if they haven't got Freeform on their device. The first thing I want to do is to get rid of the grid in the background, those little dots. So I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to go to Hide Grid. Then all we're going to do is go File and Export as PDF. From here you can simply save that PDF file as normal, and when you go to open it, it'll be automatically cropped to fit all of your Freeform board content on there without having tons of extra space at the edge. From here you can save it and you can share it to anyone you like. There's one last thing to show you though, and that is if we go back into Freeform and go back to the main homepage, I can right-click and duplicate a board. That means when I go into it I can change the name and I can make adjustments, but all safe in the knowledge that it won't change my original board because I'm working on a duplicate. That means I can start planning for another trip, perhaps to Australia, and I can delete some of the Japan-specific content, but leave my general structure in place. This is really handy to make templates, so you can find a structure that works for you and you can use it again and again on your boards. And that's it for now. I'll see you on my channel again soon.